So now let us see how we can actually go ahead and utilize the offset tool to give more details to the models that we make in SketchUp. So for that, let me just go around and bring in, let's say, a rectangular shape right here. So let's just go around over here and then drag this up. So let's say what I want to do is I want to add details to this face, and that is possible by using the offset tool right here. So you can go around over here onto the edge right here, and you can click and drag it, and then you get an offset of the face right here, just like this. You can go ahead and click and drag it right here inside the offset as well. Click and drag it right here to go ahead and add in offset faces like this. But when you actually go and do offset by freehand like this, it may not be equal in length. So let me just press Ctrl Z right here and click and drag out the offset. But let me just go around and type in 1 foot right here, just like this. Type in 1 dot, and then you get this right here. As you can see, you don't need to actually go ahead and click it there. It's always waiting for you to get it typed. So press OK, and that will be 1 foot. So you need to do this quickly. So let's just go around, click and drag 1 inch right here, press enter, and there you go. Let's just do the same inwards as well. So you can go around over here and then click and drag it 1 inch right here, press enter right here. Similarly, click and drag 1 inch right here, and there you go. This is how you can go ahead and do the offset right here. So now you can go ahead and use, let's say for example, the push pull tool to go ahead and push this in, maybe this out, and make the detailed model as you wish right here, just like this. And this is how you can go ahead and utilize the offset tool inside of SketchUp to start adding details to the model. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.